Hello everyone, greetings from Eyespecs.com.
We're taking a look at this Ray-Ban model, RB2132 in color code 622. It's a black rubber color frame. On the temples here we have a silver Ray-Ban writing. This is the inside of the frame. This frame is made in Italy. This is the other side of the temple with a silver Ray-Ban writing. The lenses are a green color. They have a Ray-Ban writing on the top right lens. The style of the frame is new Wayfarer. Up here we have a Ray-Ban gift box, a case to put your glasses in, microfiber cleaning cloth, and this is an authenticity card.
Thank you for watching. If you want to check out these frames, make sure to check out Eyespecs.com and have a joyful day.